Hi guys! A lot of people are attracted by these DIY cement planter video posted in social media platforms. Actually, some of them are generated using AI. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly make them step by step. Step 1. Prompts. Firstly, we are using ChatGPT for prompt generation. I will put the official link in the description. Search for DIY cement planter video generator in the search bar. And choose this GPT. Click on Start Chat. It is specifically designed for cement planter videos. Then click on Give me 10 ideas. It will automatically provide you with 10 cool ideas. You can simply choose one you like to proceed. If you have a better idea, you may also ask it to refine your idea and turn it into certain prompt for you. In this case, I am using a teddy bear cement planter for example. There it has given me ready-to-use prompts for image and video, including tools to generate images and videos. Step 2. Generate images. With the tool it provides, we are using HitPaw FotorPea to create the images. You can also find the official access link in the description. Once we open it, click on AI Generator and use text-to-image function. Copy the text-to-image prompt, paste it in the prompt box, choose GPT Image 2 model, and click on Generate. There we can create a storyboard image like this. You can see that the image have clear instructions and process to guide the video generation. If you are not satisfied with certain procedure, just refine the prompt until you get a perfect storyboard. And here is an AI upscale button to help enhance your images to ultra high quality with clear details. Step 3. Generate videos. Thirdly, we are using HitPaw VikPea for video generation. Click on AI Video Generator. Choose the latest Dance 2.0 model. Then import the image we just created as reference image. Use the video prompt ChatGPT provided. Then select the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, and proceed to generate. There it is. The video will follow the storyboard's instructions to create amazing DIY videos like this one. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Use your creative imagination for more cool videos. Hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents for tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.